If you're considering using Gooten for your dropshipping business, there are 12 things you should know before making that decision. In this video, we'll dive into what makes Gooten stand out and how it compares to other platforms like Printful and Printify. Stick around till the end, as I'll also suggest a great alternative you can try for free. First, let's talk about Gooten's product catalog. Gooten offers a wide range of products to print on, but it's not as extensive as Printful. However, if you're looking for quality over quantity, Gooten can be a solid option with its carefully selected product range. Next thing, Gooten's integration with e-commerce platforms. They support popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. If you're already using one of these platforms, it's easy to connect with Gooten, though, again, Printful offers a slightly smoother integration experience with more platform options. The third thing to know is their fulfillment times. Gooten's processing times are comparable to Printful, with orders typically shipped within 2 to 5 business days. However, delays can happen, especially with custom designs or high-demand products, so it's essential to manage customer expectations. Next up, let's talk about pricing. Gooten has competitive pricing, but it can vary based on the product and customization options. While their base prices are generally lower than Printful's, you might find that shipping costs can add up quickly, making Printful or other competitors a better deal for some orders. The fifth thing is customer service. Gooten support is available 24/7, but some users report slower response times during peak hours. When compared to Printful, whose customer support is often praised for its responsiveness, Gooten still has room for improvement in this area. Next, let's discuss product quality. Gooten offers reliable print quality, but it's not always as consistent as Printful or Printify. Some users have experienced variations in colors and print clarity, so it's important to test your products before scaling your business. Now, let's talk about order tracking. Gooten provides tracking on all orders, and their dashboard is user-friendly. However, the tracking updates may not always be as frequent or detailed as you might get with other dropshipping companies, so keep that in mind for customer communication. The eighth thing to know is Gooten's customization options. While they do offer a decent range of print customizations, they don't provide the same level of flexibility as Printify. If your business relies heavily on customization, you may find Gooten somewhat limiting. Next thing, Gooten's worldwide shipping capabilities. They ship internationally, but their delivery times may vary significantly depending on the region. In some cases, international shipping can take longer than expected, which can affect customer satisfaction. The 10th thing is their ease of use. Gooten's interface is relatively straightforward, but it does take some time to get used to if you're new to dropshipping. Printful's interface might feel more intuitive to some, but Gooten offers a solid platform overall. Now, let's talk about their automated order processing. Gooten offers automated order fulfillment, which means orders are sent to production as soon as they're placed. While this is great for efficiency, the lack of manual order review can sometimes lead to mistakes in the design or order details. The 12th and final thing to know is Gooten's overall reputation. While Gooten is trusted by many entrepreneurs, some users have reported issues with their packaging and occasional errors in the production process. However, this is not uncommon with dropshipping platforms, and it's something you can generally manage with proper quality control. So, is Gooten a good choice for your dropshipping business? It's certainly a solid option, especially if you're looking for competitive pricing and a streamlined interface. But if you're after more customization options, faster support, or higher consistency, you might want to consider other platforms. For a better solution, check out our recommended dropshipping service that you can try for free.